Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today our new practical is regarding whenever we can delete our Active Directory users in our Active Directory. Unfortunately, by mistake we can delete the Active Directory users or suppose organization unit. Then how can recover that without the restoration of operating system? So that is the one way to do that. First, to do that we have to perform a practical. So click on the Active Directory Administrative Center. So it takes some time. Okay, now it's open. Now you can see there are options like a overview, TUS, local, dynamic. So click on the local. When you have click on local, then click on the enable recycle bin. Are you sure want to perform this action? Once recycle bin has been enabled, it cannot be disabled. So this option will cannot be disabled once time you can recycle enable. So we have click on that. Okay. Now it's takes some processing time. So you can read the please refresh AD Administrative Center. Now ADDS has begun enabling recycle bin for this forest. The recyclable bin field will not function reliably until all domain controllers in the forest have replicated the recycle bin configuration file. Okay. So now the active recycle bin has been enabled. So minimize this step. Now go to Active Directory users and computers. Now you can see this is our domain tus.com. One of the organization is IT and this is the user. Now select that user and delete it. Are you sure want to delete the username Tushar Prajapati? Yes. Now there is no item in this organization unit. Close this. Then also close this. Now refresh server manager. So suppose this is the we delete manually, but sometimes it will delete automatically. So how can recover it? So we have already create the recycle bin enable. So by default it's disabled. So we have manually enable the recycle bin. So go to Active Directory and Administrative Center. Okay. Click on local. Now after this click on here delete the or delete objects. Now after clicking the delete objects, you can see our user is showing in the delete objects. Same thing opened in our recycle bin. So you have to click on restore. So now it will be restored. Now close this. Now refresh our server. Now click on the Active Directory and users and computers. You can see that the user which we have deleted, it automatically restore at that same location in organization units of the IT. So this is the method, but due to that, once we have done the enable recyclable, it will never disable again. So if you guys like this practical, then subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati and bell the press icon for notification of all videos. And next practical for this series we will do for distributed file system. Due to that, DFS, we have already created a member server. Look like this. Member server is same, the OS is server 2016. We have deleted the user Windows 10 OS which was client, but right now on next practical we are running on the member server. So similar OS as a client, member server or client. So DFS practical is the next practical. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati for watching next video. Thanks for the day.